What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a look at Polkadot and just a bit of the entire crypto market. So yesterday we actually had some big news from Donald Trump. He ordered the administration to evaluate potential for a national digital asset stockpile, which would essentially be like a Bitcoin or crypto reserve for the US government, which is absolutely huge. That would mean that the US government itself would have to start purchasing crypto. It will probably be the big coins like Ethereum, maybe XRP, maybe USDT. So yeah, the major coins, and they would essentially have to hold it like they've been holding gold or the US dollar and so on and so forth. So yeah, really big news. Again, it's just an evaluation for the potential of a stockpile, but it's overall news into the right direction, I should say. So yeah, really big news. It's not confirmed anything just yet. I know a lot of people on Twitter yesterday were, posting that the US is going to start buying it and whatnot, but it's not confirmed just yet. It's an evaluation. I think they'll probably evaluate that there is potential, because there is a lot of potential. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how the repercussions of that will be. Again, yesterday we saw a bit of a pump, or at least today we're seeing a bit of a pump. It was looking like quite a down day yesterday. Today we're back up ever so slightly, so that's some good news. Now Polkadot has actually just been sort of trailing around below this white previous support level. It's currently been using it as a resistance, so until we actually break above and do something like this, we won't really see any upside. So we need to break above like $6.70 with a full candle close in order for it to actually be quite bullish. Now another key thing we have to take a look at is also Bitcoin dominance, which yesterday was looking very bad. I must say, we started wicking these immense highs. It looked like it was going to start breaking above, but again, it's Friday today, so the weekly candle still has a few more days left. As long as it doesn't close above, then we'll be quite good. But yeah, it was looking quite scary yesterday. Now it looks like it might come back down, and when it breaks below the 2.7k area, we should look quite good for the alts. Now we're in quite a few trades this week, especially from the Discord. The main ones being our HBAR trade. We were actually looking for another entry on HBAR in the previous video, somewhere around here. We didn't get that. The overall trade did close. It actually didn't close yet because our stops were right here, so it's still running. But yeah, that's all good. Trade is still running. We had our entries set from this wick low here, currently sat at around 30% profit. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. At 30% profit plus times 20x leverage, 600% profit there for us. XRP, also another coin we're in the trade in, currently sat in 40% profit, 800% with leverage. SUI, we're slowly accumulating into a SUI position. So yeah, no major updates there yet. Render, we've not really been taking too much of a look at Render this past week. It's just been sort of consolidating. Again, most of our Render entries are from really low, back in 2024. Polkadot, another coin, the main coin really of this video. No real trades yet. We have been accumulating immensely from 2024, during November at these lows, so we're currently up like 2x nearly. And yeah, that's all there is really to it. We are in this descending sort of not even a wedge, it's just a descending channel really. It's only going to start wedging at a really immense low, so there's no point in really drawing on these trend lines. The only thing I'd really suggest is having these horizontal lines instead, like the fibs, your supply demand zones, maybe some fair value gaps as well. But overall, that's really all there is to it. You can really chart it out quite easily. Other coins we're going to be taking a look at: Solana, running up high. We took profits at like 290, somewhere around here. That was one of our biggest trades this week. So yeah, lots has been done this week. Really good week overall for everyone in the Discord, and if you're not in, then make sure you check it out. It'll be first link in the description. It's like $20 a week, but you'll get access to all of my trades, which again, if you would have entered any single one of them this week, then you would have easily made that 20 back here plus 100 plus profit. So yeah, really good stuff there. Any potential trades, we have to go into a lower time frame. So for Polkadot, I'd first look on a higher time frame, for come down to a specific support area. As we are right now quite bearish, we're not that bullish right now, so I wouldn't really be looking for a major long position unless we are able to flip this. Then I'd start to look for some longs here, but for now I wouldn't really be looking for shorts either, just because it's still a bull market. Trump is in office, so no shorts yet. But if this was just a regular market, I'd be looking for some shorts somewhere around here, because it's in a bearish zone and we're flipped the support now to a new resistance. So worst case, we'll come back down to roughly $5.50 for Polkadot. Maybe we can accumulate some more here before we actually head up higher. But again, if you want to look at it on the bright side, then we really just need to flip this zone $6 $6.75, $6.80 in order for us to go bullish. Then we can start targeting $7.70, $8.70, $9.90, and these major highs that we have here. The S&P also yesterday was soaring. It's way past its all-time high now. It's at a new all-time high at 6.118. So yeah, really good stuff there. Again, the crypto market and stock market correlate with each other. You know, when the S&P is rising, the Bitcoin is also rising. The only times that changes is usually on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or just Saturday and Sunday, because the stock market is obviously closed on Saturday and Sunday. So, you know, the sort of volatility and volume that comes in from Friday to Monday on Bitcoin will be quite different to the S&P, because there's more volume on the weekend, because Bitcoin is obviously active 24/7. The stock market's closed, and then Monday and Friday, they might be slightly exhausted. So yeah, as long as the S&P keeps soaring, we should see Bitcoin carry on soaring. As we mentioned in the previous videos, we need to be looking at $114,000 for the break. You know, once we break past that, it should be quite clear that we can continue going up, and maybe even to 130, 140. So yeah, really exciting stuff there. Ethereum, again, this you know, correlates back to DOT and Bitcoin dominance. When Ethereum starts soaring more than Bitcoin, it shows that alt season is happening. Right now that's not happening. You know, 0.3 deficit doesn't make any sort of difference. This would have to be like a 2-3x sort of percent deficit. It is currently looking quite good. Again, lots of rumors surrounding Trump and purchases of Ethereum, but you know, very little proof there. His companies have been purchasing Ethereum domains, and I believe some Ethereum as well, but yeah, you know, he doesn't really, it's not him doing it, it is his company. But I guess it's bullish anyway, because a lot of people think it's him. So yeah, the people move the market, and their thoughts move the market. So if you can get everyone to think that it's, you know, Donald Trump himself purchasing Ethereum, then you can get people to buy, and you can get the market to move up. Currently it is looking quite good. It's above this 0.236, 0.618 fib level. I have two fibs, yes, drawn on, you know, one from a different level, another from a different level, but this is a major zone. You know, two fibs align here. If we're able to break past and carry on, then 3.8k is an easy target for us. So just to quickly recap, we need to wait for Polkadot to break above $6.80, $6.75 with a full candle break above. Then we can start looking for some longs. Then it will be bullish. Right now, it's in a sort of neutral bearish state, as a lot of altcoins are. Bitcoin dominance hasn't dropped yet. It needs to start dropping quite heavily. I think it will take at least 4 to 5 weeks, and that's a minimum, probably a bit longer, for Bitcoin dominance to actually drop enough for us to start entering an alt season. So yeah, that might give us a bit of a time advantage. We can start to look for some more accumulations and so on. Now, if you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you want to be getting trades sent to you every single day, then check out the Discord down below. If you need a place to buy, sell, or trade crypto for the lowest fees, then check out all the exchanges we're working with down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.